Hey, it's Scott Baptie here, and we are on location in Manchester shooting recipe photos for my brand new book, The Ultimate High Protein Handbook, which comes out very soon. Hiya, in you come. Let me show you what goes on behind the scenes for a food photography shoot. We've got all our props set up here, and then if you come into where the magic happens, in the kitchen, got food stylist, photographer, and we've just been making the Chinese chicken tray bake. So it's a one-pan recipe, really easy to make. You throw it all on, and this is one that we prepared earlier. So yeah, we're in this beautiful house on location. Got lots of nice different setups. We're doing about 8 recipes a day, and then they'll all be done. We've got photos for every recipe for the book. Now, the new book, like my other recipe books, is going to be packed with 80 delicious, high-protein, family-friendly recipes. You'll be able to get all the ingredients in your local supermarket without having to go to exclusive, expensive health food shops. The whole family should hopefully like them too, so you don't have to cook one healthy meal for mum and dad and something else for the kids. All the nutrition info is listed, so that's the calories, protein, carbohydrates, and fat. And there's also a barcode on each recipe, so you can scan it straight into your food diary. So that saves you a load of time, and it gives you the confidence knowing that the nutrition info is correct without you having to try and work out yourself. This is one of the recipes actually. This isn't just a prop, this is me having a little break just now because it's been quite a busy day so far. It's crunchy peanut butter squares. So it's one of the snacks, and there's also breakfasts, light meals, main meals. So there's a whole range of different meals in it. So regardless of your fitness goal, there'll be something there to support what you're trying to do. And because the nutrition info is listed as well, it's very easy for you to add in the meals if you're trying to lose weight, trying to build muscle, trying to improve your recovery from exercise, or simply just trying to eat healthier. That's a wrap.